Welcome back and continuing the news. Small but mighty. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the success of a Jamaican teacher in America, proving that success is not determined by size, instead by strength. Ramada Lyons explains.
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Meet Latoya Lati, an educator who's only 3 feet and 9 inches tall with over 19 years of teaching under her belt. Some might ask, does being on the same height as your students create dysfunction in the classroom? Well, question answered, it doesn't.
My children, they respect me, they listen to me, and they learn from me. And I think I am not just an inspiration in terms of education. I think I'm a holistic inspiration to them. And that just gives me joy.
Another source of that joy, she's the Jasper County School District Teacher of the Year. Thunderous applause as it's announced. Then, standing ovation and a chance.
The message is that if you do your best, if you go out there and you put your all into what you do, if you love what you do as a profession, then the reward is there.
She was also voted Teacher of the Year by her very own, her colleagues.
I was surprised because the principal just came around and, he just stopped at my door and the children were happy. I was happy. But then when I got District Teacher of the Year, that was even more surprising because, of course, it was an interview. And sometimes you do interviews and you think, oh, I don't think I did that well,
Clearly she did. And while the praise rains down, her family back home is on cloud 9.
Oh, listen, my family, my immediate family, my extended family, my church family, my friends, everybody, they are so elated.
She's been a first grade teacher at Hardyville Elementary for 9 years. Her years in Jamaica were difficult. As she recalls, they were drenched in belittlement. Despite the efforts, commitment, and strides, she was made to feel as though she didn't measure up.
It was the adults, not the children, who challenged my mindset at one time. I don't think they looked past the height. They saw someone, even with the accolades, with the awards, with the certification, they failed to see that person who was. They're not the parents of my students now. They knew me and they acknowledged it was those who I would have worked for.
But that has never been a deterrent.
My philosophy in life is I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And so with that philosophy to move me forward, to propel me forward, I believe that as long as He is there with me, that I can do all things.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Ramada Lyons.